Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching this, then you're in the right place. You're probably facing some issue with Git and everything seems to work fine, but you get this issue with remote end hung up unexpectedly. So I'm gonna try and use Chat GPT to resolve this issue right now, and let's see. Okay, so Chat GPT has analyzed the issue and has suggested something that I should try out. I should retry the push, and I will do just that. Yeah, so you can just on your own end you can copy the errors and paste on ChatGPT, so you get a log of the issues. Sometimes it's a little bit difficult and stressful to understand these codes, these error codes or problems just by reading them line by line. So what ChatGPT will do for you is help you to analyze what the problem is and tell you back in a more readable and understandable way. That's what I do most of the time. So I'm going to try and repush this, which I've just done, and I'm asked to set the upstream. So I've done that. So and it seems like let's wait and see if everything works fine. Okay, I'm a little bit curious now to know if everything works. Well, sometimes there are different ways to approach this though. Sometimes you just have to create a new personal access token and then add it to your git config file using vi or emacs if you know how to use vi or emacs. I might create a video about that, about explaining how to create a personal access token and adding it to your config file using vi, so that you can be able to make some authorized requests from git. If you want me to do that, then smash the like button and subscribe so that you can get a notification when I post my next video. So yeah, let's see if this will work after setting the upstream. Okay, it seems like everything is fine. Yeah, everything is okay now. So I'll go back and check the repository and see if it has updated. Okay, let's see if it's updated. Seems like GitHub updated their UI, at least working on their interface. That's pretty cool. So I'll refresh, and my network is kind of slow here. Just bear with me. Okay, seems like everything is okay. So yeah, what we just did worked, and the issue has been resolved. I hope that this works for you, and if it doesn't work for you, you should try using the personal access token approach. You should just ask ChatGPT how to go about that. But also I would create a video about that in my subsequently over the week, and post it on my channel here. So just smash the like button and subscribe so you can get notified when I get the video up.